Hello everybody and welcome back to Ultra Studios, and today we'll be designing another UI design that will be set for a shop that sells night shoes. Okay, so let's just go over to our folder and get some images. Okay, zoom out. And here's our shoes. Okay, okay, and also get the Nike logo, the tick, for off Google. You can just trace it in Illustrator and select on the rectangle tool and make a rectangle around the canvas. That's good. We'll take the border away and change the color to a bluish color like that, lighter. That looks nice. Maybe a little darker on there. Now let's just make our tick smaller. Put it there in the corner. And get our okay. Okay. Now select on the text tool and we're gonna make a nav. We're gonna design a nav bar, navigation. Let's just type home. Okay. And select on everyone that we've made and just align them, give them their space, drag it on, and change the size of the words, the font size to 16. Make them spin them in. Just select them all again. Just like that. Change the color of all of them to white. And select group and bring it up into the middle there. Don't forget to align it into the center of our box. Now, zoom out, grab this shoe, bring it on, zoom in down here, make it a piece smaller, maybe twist it a piece, like that. Okay, okay, wait, just remove this shoe and come out. And let's bring this shoe on. Nice blue shoe, go with a nice blue background. Reduce the size. Make it bigger. Let's give this navigation a bit more space. Like that. Select them all. You already have it. And then you group it. Second time, just center it into the middle. Let's Let's make it bigger and just twist it so it's not so bent like that maybe. And there. Make it bigger too. So the size to be nice. Center it into the middle. Then we're gonna select on the text tool second time. And we're just gonna write the Nike word. Will we just do it? Just like that. Increase the size. Change the font to BBass. BBass, like that. Make it bigger. Let's grab this tick, copy and paste, bring it down, bring it here, make it smaller. Twist it, bring it, oh, do it like that. Another time, just bring it close up to it like that. Group like this. Just put it, bring the ruler down from the top, just put it right on top of that shoe. Just bring it down a little more. Okay, just drag it right down. Zoom out to the side, zoom in, bring it up. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's bring this to the edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's just make sure. Yeah. Move this one. Zoom out. And we're gonna put some buttons and some other words and price of the shoe over here just so they're able to buy it. But first, let's just put some texture on this background. So copy this and ungroup it. Delete this tip. Just type Nike. I've done this before in another Nike tutorial I made. It was a sign up form. Send it to the back. Select them both. Make sure you do it like that. And decrease the size. Transparency. There. Let's try centering it. Like that. Right behind the shoe. Let's try making it a big piece there. A bit bigger. Like this. Like that. There. That looks nicer, I believe. Now we can put our other. Let's try make this bigger first. No. Better like this. Now over here to finish off the nav, we'll put a cart icon and a shirt icon. So let's just go over to Google and get the two icons. Okay, so now I have my icons. I'm just going to paste them into Adobe Illustrator and trace them. So just select on it, come to the trace panel, change it to color and preview. And that's the preview of that. Just click expand. Okay, come over to this one, preview. That's the preview of that. Objects, expand. Okay. Now select on them both, Control Shift G to delete the background. Delete that, and that, and that. Group that. Select on that. Control and X over to XD. Okay. Now paste them right here. they're big. So just zoom out, make them smaller. Just select, drag it down, bring it up. Select from this one, drag it down, zoom in, can't see what's going on. Change the color of both of the two to white. That's like that. And then make it smaller. And just make this one smaller. First to show you, just zoom out. And the size we would like it to be is there. Just drag Z like that. Zoom in, drag it down. There. Just shift, bring it down. 1, 2. Read that. Z. Just select off. Read that. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Bring it. Put it on the side, just like the Nike tick we done. We put it to the side and click 6. So hold down shift. Hold down shift. So okay. So sorry about that. Hold down shift is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Sorry about the noise. Zoom out to the side. Now that is our navigation done. Let's just bring this down. We don't like when it's so close to navigation. So what we'll do is we'll put a ruler right on top of that Nike. Get this and bring it down to the bottom. There we are. And there. Now we have to put the information buttons over here. Okay, so just select on the text tool. Just write Nike Air Retro. Just like that. Click, bring it here. Put on another line. So just delete like that. Select from this. Come down to nope. Leave that as it is. This. That. Put that like this and this. Space the retro out to be the exact same space as that. There we are. And let's change the color of the retro to this. That's not good. Let's try a different color. Let's try changing it to this. Alright, let's Z that all back to when it was like this. Let's just bring it there. Leave it like this. And now we just bring it 6 away. So we bring it close. Then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's try a little more. So let's zoom in just a bit and go over to here. Get the ruler. Go at the edge of that. Let's bring this there. There we are. Drag the ruler away. Make sure it's at the bottom of the Nike. right there where the like ends or begins. Then drag it down a piece. You get Lorem Ipsum text and just paste it in like that. Bring it up. Change the font back to this lovely font. Change the size down a lot to 20 size 10. Put it at the side. Let's try 15, 12. And select delete and why all the spaces here. Let's remove it. Just bring it, shift like that. Okay, now select, bring it up, and just shift 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's keep it 3. We'll copy this again, put the price. Let's just put the pound sign, and then we'll type 123. Increase the size. Let's make the size 30. Bring it up. Just 1, 2, 3. Again. Now we need to make a button. Just hold down Shift while you drag this. No, you don't need to hold down Shift. Just make it smaller. And move the fill to make it outline. Change the outline to white. Zoom out. Copy this. Then click. Click by now. Make it smaller. More. Just let's center it. Bring it up. Just to there. Okay, now make another circle. Hold down Shift this time. Just make a nice circle. Let's remove that. Put it in here. In the top piece. Bring it right there. Remove the fill and change the color to white. And then we'll make this smaller now. Always getting a chance to make it smaller. Align it into the middle this way. And then on this, select, come down, give this a nice shadow. So that's 3. Let's make it 6, 6. Okay. Let's make this come lower, and this come left. And bring the blur up, down. Leave the blur at 6. Then select on the pencil, just make a line inside it. Zoom in, make a line, just like that. Change the color, white. copy and paste, rotate by 90, select on the two, just align them, select, just select, sorry, come in again and select on the two, group them, select on the circle and align them into the center. And just put that there. Then select on this button and come down here. First select back on this one. And then select on this. Give this a shadow. Select, change the color to black. Give it full opacity. Point that to dash 1. Same with this. 1. Keep the blur at 6. And there. It looks a little out of place, so let's remove the shadow from this one. See if that looks. I believe it adds nice texture, so let's get this, group that, and align it into the center of this, like that. No, bring it back up. Oh, bring it just like that. Okay. Now, what all these extra shoes were for, we'll use these to bring them down under here. Just need 3, so let's flip this one like that. Okay. Make them all smaller. But first, what we need to do is zoom in up here, select on the pencil, and just make a nice line above here. Change the color to a nice blue. Let's see. Select on it, change the color to white to our blue we have here. Oh no, change the border color. No, see that? Change the border color to that. Zoom in. And just increase the line. Just increase this, just like that. And ungroup. Bring it down. Let's make this smaller, just a little. Align it like that. And there. That's to show that it's selected on the home. Now let's finish off what we're doing here. So do is zoom in, just select this, make a box like that. Select from these, align it to the center. Come down here and select on this. And we'll select on this first one and change around to 12. Let's do a little more. Keep going up. Let's try changing it to 50.
This one just go 8.
And 50 again. For this one. Nope. This one. For 50. Like that. 50. Like that. Remove the border. And just bring it down. Just so it's right there. We'll put this here. Make it smaller. Put it there. And bring it up. Okay, do the same for this. Just make this round and a bit smaller. To 30% at both sides. Bring this up. Bring that. Make it smaller. A little more smaller. Bring this one and reduce it to there. Put them all first just move this, copy this, see that, just Alt and copy this, ungroup that, and just bring this text over here and this text, so just delete, bring these, change the color of them to dark blue, like that maybe, make it smaller, and bring it here. Okay, zoom in, and let's put some style in here. First, let's zoom out and get a ruler and bring the ruler down. Okay, so just put down to there, bring this up to that, bring it sideways. Just change the color of everything to a nice color, a more lighter color. Make sure it's dark. That, there, bring it down, ungroup. Oh, it's ungrouped. Oh, well, select, bring it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring this up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's just come out here. Select this. Delete. Bring this. Bring it up. Here. Zoom in. Change the color to this color. Let's make that. Remove that. Just like usual. Make this smaller. We'll just put that there to the side. Make sure it's there. And the shadow. And select on the shadow. Just take the blur down and take the transparency. First, just put this there. Take this 0. Take the transparency down a lot. Bring the blur up to 2. Okay, leave that as 2. Just select one more time and bring the transparency down a little more. Almost unnoticeable. Okay, now select these, undo all of those, group that, just bring it down, center this, center it like, select them 2, and center it like that. There we are. Now bring it up to it, and just go 1, 2, 3, that's like that. Hold down Alt and drag this over to here. We'll bring this to the line. No, just Z that back and Alt. Make sure you hold down Alt or you'll copy it. Bring that up. Bring that. Let's get another ruler. No, let's just shift, center to the middle, and get lower. Wait, there. Now do it one more time. Alt to there. Shift to the side. And we'll select on this one. And we'll bring it 1, 2, 3. We'll do the same with this. Up to 3. 1, 2, 3. Shift to the side. Bring it up. And we'll go 1, 2, 3. Okay, now zoom out. Select on this. Unselect all of these. Group that. Group that. Do that, select from them all, align, see that, just give equal space, do that, and then center it into the middle. Okay, now zoom out, select these two, and center that into the middle here. Z, oh, so shift and Z, and ungroup. Design's looking very good. Just zoom in a little, come to the side, see if there's anything that needs to be added. Okay, let's just go to Google and get some Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter icons, and we're just gonna add that to this, and then we'll be done. Okay, so now that you have your icons, just paste them into XD and line them up. Oh, see, ungroup that and line them up. Make them smaller, so just hold on shift and just use the size just like that. Bring it here, zoom in, and just lift them on top of each other like this. Select on all, align in equal space, bring it up just to here, change the transparency to something like 60, zoom out, and this is your Nike design for Nike shoes. Now, comment in the comments below if you would like this design to be prototyped. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell to be notified for more amazing designs. See you in the next video. End that.